I have created a IT help desk agent as a part of this hackathon. So this particular agent actually is a prototype that I had worked along with the IT team of our company to understand the repetitive queries that they get and figured out a way how can we reduce uh, the time required and the efforts as well for those kind of queries. So I'll be explaining a few uh, it with few examples. So let me start with the first query. For example, as let's assume that I'm a new joiner to the company and I want to install a particular application. So normally the process is that we either request it from the IT team or download it from company portal. But as a new user, we are not aware of it. So just putting this query to my desk. So so if when I ask this question, the agent is replying it could be installed from company portal. So the ideal process would have been that it would have created a ticket in IT portal, then the person would have gone and checked the request and would have replied. But instead of that, an agent is replying because this is a standard query. And let's try with another example. Tableau, let's say. So yeah, so as it is mentioning, the Tableau requires a paid license and ticket will be created for the same. So what we have done, like with this example, that this agent has access to a couple of tools. One of the tool that you saw is handling software request. Next tool that I'm going to show example is about how it handles cloud request. So let me let me clear the conversation. Access, let's say AWS for a given. Yeah. So whenever we request for a cloud, normally our IT team asks for the project code or the approver name for that particular uh, cloud account. So as I'm just putting in. Okay. For example, in this scenario, as I was showing that I had given him the right information, but what would have happened if I would have given the wrong information? So I'm just taking this example as well. Instead of Alice, let me write, let's say Derek. So it is mentioning that you need the approver from Alice, not from Derek. So we cannot proceed with the ticket creation. Cool. Okay. So the agent is able to understand, given the request, whether it should be approved or not, and then reply accordingly. Let's assume that I need to reset my password. then it will ask me to provide me my username or email address so that it can help me to reset the password. So I'm just typing in my name, that is Alice, because this is one is registered. Yeah, so this is giving me the temporary password as well, so that I can leverage this to reset my password as well. Now I'm just giving one or few more example. uh, let's try something that is not a part of this agent. For example, this is a IT help desk agent, right? But if I am asking a question like, I want you to help with my tax filing, let's observe that. So the agent is handling this as an unknown request, although it has created a request in the portal, but this is not replying on its own because it knows this is not in his scope. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show as a part of this demo. Thank you.